Chat. Chat. Here we go. Fellas. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to another stream, fellas. We got a banger PM session coming after a banger AM session. You can see, let's jump right into the charts, chat. Let's jump right into the charts, okay? I don't want to play no games. No games. We got a W in the AM session. It's time to make our bank again. Got a W in the AM session. You can see price action opened up, traded down to a 1 hour fair value gap. Following that trend bullishly, we want to see longs after that manipulation to the downside. I'm looking for longs off of this. Where are you looking for, Ben? What are you looking for as a bias? I'm looking for these highs right here. Those relative equal highs that are just sitting there so patiently. Not really relative equal highs, but that high right there. That's just waiting to be taken. Doesn't look like we're going to get a fill here, though. Dr. Phil might come down and retrace into this leg, but I don't know. I'm definitely bullish, though. That's what I can say. Patience is everything, guys. It looks like it's about to take that draw. I mean, I'm still looking for higher than that. In terms of the daily chart, looks like we're breaking out of this range, guys. We could go for this high up here. That's my end of day draw. We take that, we're not trading anymore. We take this, I'm done. I'm not trading at all. We have a gap up there, but I think we're going to get out of this range. I think we wicked out here. If you look at ES and NQ on exchange, you can see a beautiful distribution back up towards the highs. I think we're going to break out of the range, guys. I do think we're going to break out of the range. I'm anticipating a little bit of a retracement here. This is a fat 5-minute candle, but I want to see it push back down towards this area. I am bullish, though. You see that 1 hour reaction. I do want to see price action turn up higher. How's everybody's lunch? Can I move the banner? Hold on. Is that better? There you go. You're welcome, chat. Looking for longs here, chat. We consolidated, we retraced into that 1 hour for value gap, and now we're turning back up higher again. Where's that 1 hour for value gap? Oh, it's right here. That's the new day opening gap. We can get rid of that. We have our win there, which is a beautiful sight to see. Caught that leg. Beautiful turtle soup there. If we would have took that, but back into this consolidation here. Beautiful retracement. We have a 3-minute fair value gap. See a 3-minute there. 2-minute. We're in a 2-minute right now. We're in a 2-minute right now, pushing up higher. But I want to see it push down lower to this 1-minute fair value gap here. You can see we get a fib from this low to this high. Beautiful reaction. That's at 50%. Even down to this one here, maybe OTE range. We're in that 3-minute fair value gap now. I will take a long here, chat, if it breaks back up above the high. Targeting our draw on liquidity. But I want to see it push down a little bit more. I think it's going to push down a little bit more. I'm not going to get in long yet. Also, we are playing with profits today. I don't know what the straddle method is, bro, but do not gamble CPI. Do not gamble CPI, please. Looks like that 3 minute is really respecting price action here. Look at ES as well. 3 minute fair value gap's pushing up. 1 minute's probably starting to push up a little bit. I'm gonna get into a long here, guys. What is that rejecting off of? I think this is rejecting off of a high. It hasn't took that high yet. It looks bullish though, chat. Look at that 3 minute reaction. We just need to see it break back above that candle high because it looks like it could push down lower here a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna get along here. We have 15 seconds to see a nice body reaction before. Let's see if we can get a good body reaction without it ripping away without us. Good body reaction there, chat. Just need to see it go to our fill and then we're in. Where's Dr. Phil here? ES is looking bullish, looking very healthy right now. Just need to see it push a little bit higher. It's rejecting a little bit. See how it's rejecting just a little bit? I like this. I like the momentum that and the body dominance that we have here. 15 seconds for a body reaction. 1 second.
Order filled.
All right, beautiful fill there. Terrible body, but we'll see what happens here. We have a 3 minute fair value gap that we're going off of. This is a 3 minute fair value gap entry. Institutional order flow entry drill on that 3 minute fair value gap. We're factoring in the lower 1 minute fair value gap in case it wants to turn up. But you can see on ES as well. 3 minutes already delivering. A little bit more bullish dominance here. It's a little bit of a higher resistance liquidity run. We have some sort of draw here though that we're going to pay attention to. Because we'll probably drag our stop loss to break even after it takes this. Or not break even, but very aggressive stop loss to that high. Time to enter long. We put buy orders and then sell orders below. We close. Are you talking about CPI? Yeah, I just, if you, I don't encourage it. That's all I'm going to say is I don't encourage it. Beautiful 3 minute fair value gap reaction, both on ES and NQ. Okay, that's what we're looking at right now. All right. Bodies are still dominant here. I would say if it breaks constant card card trade again, then we should probably scale out of the position. Right, but give it a little bit of room. 2 minute fair value gap as well. In terms of the 5 minute, there's a 5 minute fair value gap down there it could draw to. I kind of want to see that as a breakaway gap. All right, I want to see that because there's no 5 minute there on ES. On NQ, I want to see this 5 minute that I'll mark out right here as a breakaway gap, chat. If fill the 3 minute, leaves a 5 minute. Fill the 3 minute, 2 minute, and no 1 minute. Okay, we're about to take that high. Once we take that high, I'm going to drag my stop loss there. Yes, it could go down to that 5 minute, but I don't want price action to go down at all if it takes that high. Let's see. Regular NQ didn't take that high yet. Nope. 30 seconds to give us a better body reaction. ES is starting to push, man. ES probably was the market to get into. Okay, so we did take the high, so I'm going to be turning over to Tradeovate here. And right now, I'm dragging my stop loss below that 5 minute fair value gap. Okay? Right now, it's just below that 5 minute fair value gap, waiting for a body reaction to see what happens here. 10 seconds. I want to see more bullish dominance here. I want to see an expansion. We have a new 5 minute candle in 2 minutes. Give us a dominant body open here. Okay, good open there. I'm going to drag my stop loss now to the low that we formed prior. So risk is now cut in half. So risk management is now cut in half. Again, I want to see that 5 minute fair value gap being left open. That's a breakaway gap in my eyes. It broke. It's an expansion outside of a consolidation. I want to see that being left open. This should continue us back up higher here. We should rip up higher. I don't want to see it retest that open. To be honest, I'm going to drag my stop loss now actually pretty prematurely here. It's PM session. We're already on profit on the day. Now we're expanding up higher. We really shouldn't push back down lower. I'm thinking I'm putting my stop loss at this swing low here, but I'm going to give it a little bit of room. Okay, now we can drag it. All right, stop loss at basically break even now, chat. Holding the trade to 1.42R all the way up there. Beautiful reaction on ES as well. ES pushing here. Just want to see institutional order flow entry draw. Just want to see low resistance liquidity run to this high, right? We should drag up to this high. We should not retest this level. I'm going to drag my stop loss to fully break even for the number now. We shouldn't really retest this. This should be a breakaway gap as well. We should form a fair value gap here and then trade back up to that high. But we need to just chill. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. Again, we just took this high, so we shouldn't retest it, okay? It's a 5 minute chart, should body above it. All right, we need to body above this at the 5 minute. If it doesn't, I'm probably going to close the trade. We need to stay above this in 18 seconds. We need to body above this 5 minute candle. Or not 5 minute candle, but this. About adding to your winners, but cutting your losses by moving your recent low. Yep. This is guaranteed break even now. Because I'm pretty sure it's 1-to-1. Oh, not yet. Okay, 5 minute body did body above the high, which is nice. We're potentially trading down to this. I'm going to give myself just a little bit more stop loss room. Could trade to that fair value gap and rip up higher, right? But it should rip up higher right away. As soon as it touches it, rips up. It shouldn't go past below consequent encroachment. Put it to the swing low. I got a little bit too confident there. I'll risk $100. That's fine. Still break even to me. We're still in profit. Regardless of no matter what happens on the day, we're still in profit. Patience is everything, guys. Let this market open. It's a new 15-minute candle, right? You look at that 15-minute candle. Open, low, high, close. I see this 15-minute candle taking these highs up here. Okay? We just need to survive that little period of drawdown. Don't break us out at break even. Terrible 1 minute body reaction. We're probably going to hit break even here. It's in the inversion. The only sign of support, guys, is this order block. Stop loss is below mean threshold of it.
Stop filled.
Yep. $100. Negative 100, so break even on that trade. Let me put my executions on. All good. Break even. Why is there no arrow here? Why does it show that we're not? Why is there no arrow, chat? That's weird. That reaction off that high, I'm not going to look for shorts, chat. I still think it's going to turn up. Just relax. It's disrespecting PD arrays, so we gotta chill. All right, one break even on the PM. It took out the relative equal highs. That's why I dragged to break even. So you see that there's highs up here. Highs up here, chat. That's my target. But when we took that high, I dragged to break even. And thankfully I did, because you see price action clearly reversed off of it. Beautiful risk management. Thank you, brother. Don't engage into any shorts right now, guys. I do think it's just going to retrace to that 5-minute fair value gap, then turn back up higher. Let's get rid of the execution marks for now. Well, we're break even. We still have more capital. We're going to take one more trade today, see if we can grab it out. I might take this 5-minute entry. Looks like it wants to go down to that 5-minute fair value gap. Look at ES. ES is pushing down lower, but respecting the order block. Looks like it wants to turn up here. It's in that BPR though. Let's see what happens. I think it's if it went this much lower, it's going to go to that 5-minute fair value gap. The markets are cleaning up a little bit, guys. The markets are cleaning up a little bit, right? You don't really have 930 like you have a little bit of 930 manipulation, but it doesn't take the low. But we caught our long, we caught our winning trade here, and we're finding a continuation trade for PM session. So far it's break even, but the markets are low key moving now in our direction. So I do think we're going to get out of our losing streak now. I do think we're going to get out of the losing streak. Beautiful 5-minute reaction. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see how it reacts to that. And if it wants to reverse after taking that high. Because it could very much reverse after taking that. If we're not going to break out of this consolidation, after taking that high, that's a 4-hour high. We will reverse from that and go to this 4-hour fair value gap that we left all those lows. Like we could get a PM reversal, chat. Look at all these lows here in midnight open. But for me to look for a PM reversal, we got to push down here. Okay. We did take a form of buy side liquidity. So for me to look for a PM reversal, we got to trade down here. So far, it looks like continuation because you see that 1 hour is still respecting that. But for us to get a PM reversal off this high, we really need to trade a lot lower than this and break at least 5-minute structure here. But if we get a PM reversal here, chat, that's going to be huge. You've been getting cooked lately. We're literally in profit on the day, Grant. I've been getting cooked, yeah, lately because of the terrible profiles for my model. But we were up on the day today. It looks pretty good for shorts. Don't look for shorts until we get a proper shift in structure. This is a 1-minute shift in structure. It could just reverse from this point. Wait for a break of these lows here. I love the volume after taking that high. I love how it's rejecting. But it could easily just turn back up higher. So you got to be careful right now. By the way, guys, if you guys don't know already, for the people who didn't watch the AM stream, I have a massive website now that is live, guys. Propfirmgain.com. You can matchmake all your trading styles and find the firm that suits you. Save your matchmaking history so you can see I did a random and I got matched with Tradeify Lightning accounts, 30% off, and it gives you discounts, everything. Visit websites. You can compare two firms and see the difference in between all of it. It's an amazing website, guys. It's completely free, propfirmgain.com. If you make a profile, you can save everything and get emails when there's giveaways and discounts. But you can see, let's say you get matchmaked, like let's say you fill out this questionnaire randomly, and I'm keeping an eye on the markets. Don't worry, chat. Nothing yet. Let's say you do the matchmaking and you click it randomly, chat. Like, let's say I was filling this out properly. I matchmaked with Tradeify Lightning, 95% match. And then Alpha Futures Advanced, 74%. And Lucid Direct. So if I want to compare Alpha Futures with Tradeify, right? We go to compare. We go here. Alpha Futures and Tradeify. And you can see the difference. Alpha Futures is cheaper than Tradeify. Tradeify has more funded account options. 3 plans each. Better profit split with Tradeify. And it's just completely free tool. It's looking bearish now. We can probably find our entry here. Not taking shorts yet, guys. We need a better shift in structure on that 5-minute. It's still 9:30 open. Like 10:30 is 9:30 open. Well, no, 10:30 isn't 9:30 open. The clock's adjusted. Go on the New York time zone. Look at that rip there, chat. Maybe we got a PM reversal here. Come on, let's get some IO fed. Let's get some IO fed here, chat. Beautiful turtle soup there, chat, on that on the 15-minute or hourly turtle soup. Just revisiting that hourly fair value gap. Now we're shifting structure. Now we look for shorts, chat. Now we look for shorts. Now we are good to look for shorts. This will be nice. We even go for PM reversal here all the way back down to those relative equal lows that were engineered later. I kind of want to just enter into the trade now. I feel like it's better if I do that, but we'll be disciplined. Look at that. Look at those relative equal lows. We're going for a big one here. This is one of the rare occurrences, guys, where it looks like we're going to hit a big winning trade here. So I'm going to manually intervene and do a nice trade here. I think we can catch a very nice entry here, chat. I think we can catch a very nice entry if we get a nice IO fed fill. We're going to try to break even very aggressively though, chat. Awesome website. Thank you. Okay, we can get a trade here if it starts ripping down lower. It needs to break that previous low that we have. Go to our fill price right here. And we're in a trade. Institutional order flow entry, Joe.
Order filled.
Let's make some money, guys. Last trade of the day. Last trade of the day, guys. Let's do some nice IO fed here. Let's do it. Back to midnight open and these relative equal lows that we formed at the AM session. This is a one-off, guys. I think this could be a big trade here. If we're getting a PM reversal. Because we just broke structure to the downside here, chat. We did just break structure to the downside after taking buy side liquidity. Look at that turtle soup right there. ES is in that 1-minute fair value gap. Keep an eye on ES. But if this doesn't work, I'm going to walk away. I'm going to walk away with break even on the day. Because then we sacrifice the profits that we made here. 2-minute fair value gap. Beautiful reaction so far. There's a 5-minute fair value gap that our stop loss is respecting there. Wait, why is my stop loss not above that wick? There. Should be right here. Why is it there? Fair value gap. 1, 2, 3. Top of that fair value gap. Look at ES respecting that 2-minute fair value gap. ES could trade up to that volume imbalance though. So we can move up a little bit one more time maybe here. But give it some time, guys. I do think we could have a nice PM reversal. Because look at those relative equal lows that have been nested. Coupled with midnight open, chat. Look at that. But hey, we're playing with profits right now, guys, so. Not break even on the session, guys. We won the earlier trade and we took a break even trade here. So it'd be a little bit negative here. Not fully break even, a little bit negative. Yeah, I'm gonna walk away.
Stop filled.
Imagine we get wicked out there. All right, let's see. Let's sit on the sidelines and see this. I gotta decide if I want to put in more risk or walk away. Just like $150 negative today, which is fine. But I want to see. Because it looks very nice for shorts for a PM reversal. But do I want to see it go to this BPR? Not really. Re-enter now? No. It literally just got wicked out, bro. Just give it time. It looks like it's reacting to this 2 minute, bro. It looks like I just literally just got wicked out to the tick. Which I will re-enter on. I'm going to put risk back onto it. I'm not chasing, guys. Don't worry. It's a re-enter. I only do re-enters once. If re-enters don't work, then I walk away for the day. Let's see. I got wicked out literally right there. Let's see. 20 seconds. Not getting into the trade yet. Gonna be patient. 34 contracts. See how it's rejecting to push below that open? It's probably gonna push up higher here. Look at yes. Yes is respecting that volume. It traded and bodied above that volume imbalance. Could go up to that 3 minute fair value gap. There was a 15 minute. 15 minute looks bearish. I think we're gonna get a PM reversal here, chat. It looks like it wants to continue up higher, so we're gonna sit under. We're just gonna be patient and then analyze. You can convince people that this is gold. What, the market's gold? Bodied the short, pass an eval. Let's go, Brian. Looks like a great rejection. I think we just got wicked out. We'll see. We need to see it trade below the open of that candle to get into a short again. It's looking rejection. The rejection here is nice. All right, I'm gonna take one last trade today. Then I'm locking out. Manual lockout. If I lose this trade, we'll be down one trade today.
Order filled.
We'll be down 1 RR today if this trade loses, which I love the risk management. And I know I usually go for 1 RR trades, chat. Right? But hold on. If we push down here, I can add more positions. I low-key should add more positions because I didn't add enough. I can add one more contract on each.
Order filled.
There we go. That's better. All right. I want to see price action volatility. Very volatile. Rip to the downside here. PM reversal. This is my last chance on this short. If it doesn't work out, then we'll probably miss out on the PM reversal. But I do anticipate it's going to rip here. Because I don't want to open myself up to more capital. I'm going to follow my risk management rules. This is textbook over trading? How? How is this textbook over trading, bro? We're literally managing risk. Amazing. How we doing? We had our first winning day today. We're break even now. We just took a little L trying to catch shorts. I think there's going to be a PM reversal. But Tyler, we did catch a winning trade finally. The model has low-key performed. See, that's a little bit of 930 manipulation there. Although it didn't take that low, and although it was after 930, and 930 was technically bullish. It's a little bit better today. So we did end up catching a win. And now we used some of the profits to try to get into short here. Didn't work out. We literally got wicked out to the tick. So this is just a re-entry. If this doesn't work, then we're out. We should get some volatility to the downside here, chat. I am anticipating a PM reversal of those relative equal lows. I know it's a lot, and obviously we're going to drag to break even once we take that low. But I do think that we're going to get a nice PM reversal. Just took a form of buy side liquidity. And we're rejecting. And we shifted structure on that 5 minute. Beautiful shift in structure there on that 1 minute as well. I caught long stay this morning. Apex $400 each account, requesting 30K tonight. Let's go, Tyler. Yeah, looks like we're going to close the day negative 1R if this trade loses. Oh, my stop isn't correct. There we go. That would have, imagine if I would have got wicked out there, chat. That's happened to me once. I remember I had my stop loss literally by 2 ticks incorrect, and I got wicked, and I wouldn't have got wicked, and then it went to TP. That's happened to me once before. Yeah, I'm probably going to walk away from the charts and accept a 1L. A negative day. By 1. Let's see though. It's in that fair value gap again. Or is it a 5 minute? Yeah, it's in that 5 minute fair value gap again. Maybe a little bit smaller size. Yeah, so I actually did size down on this trade. Paper trade the reversal? No, I'm just going to walk away.
Stop filled.
Maybe. You know what? I'll paper trade for you guys. You want me to paper trade? Oh, whoops. I do think we could catch a reversal here. I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm going to preserve my capital down 500 on the day. 1R, which is my average risk. So we're doing pretty good on risk management, but I'm going to close out the day with that. I'm happy with that. 1 second. Let me just close out. Manual lockout. Oh, great risk management. Now I'm going to paper for you guys if you want. Went from profit to negative. That's because we were barely in any profit. There's no way you're making money from trading right now. I'm not. I haven't gotten a payout since January, which is rare for me. January, I got a 250K payout. Then after that, no profits. It's hot in my room. It's the weather out. I'm sweating. It's 10 degrees. What? Yeah, crazy manipulation there. Crazy manipulation. Looks like it could potentially chop. Negative P&L is not preserving capital. So apparently if you win a trade, you have to, no matter what, never put yourself in negative ever again. What? That's not possible. I F with you, but every single time you lose a trade, you say it's good risk management. Not why it wasn't a good trade. It is good risk management, though. I'm not wrong, Benny. Every single time it's good risk management because it is good risk management. I just have a strong belief that we're going to sell off to these relative equal lows, guys. I just have a firm belief that we're going to sell off to those relative equal lows. Like, price action looks so clean for PM reversal right now. I'm not going to take a paper entry until we break towards that low. Don't take any entries right here. It is low-key OTE on this range. No, not OTE yet. It depends on what you define OTE as. Apex payout approved. Let's go, Pumex. Patience. Haven't had one since December. Still grinding out. Hey, brother, be patient, my man. It's still very early. Usually Q1 is always bad. I didn't have my losing streak didn't start at the beginning of February. It started halfway through February, but I haven't had a payout since the end of January. So I have not had a payout since the end of January. But the losing streak started, I would think, halfway through February, or just after halfway through February. But I mean, we did break it technically. 4 years in trading space, never had a payout. I got my first payout on my 4th year, my man. Wow, apparently Top Step's denying payouts. Same Ben, me too. Wait, what did I say? Does that make you nervous that you haven't had a payout? No, I don't. I've been through this before. It happens all the time. Happens all the time. Not all the time, but you know what I mean. A few times a year. And every time I get after my losing streak and the markets get better for my model, bro, I literally like fucking ball out. Like it looks like it could potentially push out. Still, it's shopping right in that 5 minute. ES looks like it wants to continue up higher though. I don't know. I think PM reversal is too much now. Bro, you guys should chill. 250k in January, that's not so much money. Bro, 250k in 1 month is a lot of money. I don't know what world you live in. He's cracking? Who am I cracking? Your mom? I'm kidding. Still respecting this fair value gap. No, it looks like it's using this fair value gap again. I had my first payout from Top Step 3 weeks ago. Let's go, brother. It's not because I have my rancher hat on. I thought I'm not a real rancher, though. Patience, guys. Looks like it's rejecting this level. But PM reversal doesn't look good anymore. Looks like it wants to just continue to draw up to the highs, use this fair value gap and draw up higher. You said patience today, but it looked like you were chasing. No, I didn't chase. Beautiful fair value gap reaction. Switch your mic. Beautiful. Yeah, PM reversal is not there anymore. It looked good, but it looks like good manipulation now. When do you recommend to take a payout? How much buffer? If it's your first payout, just take it. And it could react off of this, but I doubt it. I think it's just retracing a little bit, then pushing back up higher again. Rejecting that 1 minute right there. See. Just watch the body reaction here on that 1 minute. Just watch for the body reaction. 1 second. Yeah, body's up there. This candle, if the candle breaks the fair value gap, then maybe it could push lower. Roy, it's normal when I'm on a losing streak. Every time every trader gets in a losing streak, the hate comments go crazy. It's just people trying to make themselves feel better. Watch out for the next 1 hour candle. We have 4 minutes. Does look like it wants to reverse, chat. Like, I don't know why I have the tool up there. I just like having tools. It did trade to OT, reject off 0.75, rejected off that point. Could push down lower, break structure to the downside. Like again, that PM reversal for those relative equal lows looks so good, but almost too good to be true, you know? If I put like 2 tools here, would like give me double engagement? Kidding. See how it reacts to this inversion. So far, it's just chopping. It's in a little bit of a 5-minute fair value gap, 3-minute fair value gap as well. It could continue up higher. Yeah, I played Geometry Dash. It's diddling. It's diddle daddling. What does ICT say? Diddly daddling. Diddle doodle. Yeah, it's pushing up higher. The original long bias, I feel like, is better. I still think it's going to draw to this high right here. Right there. See, look at that 5-minute. It just wicked into that 5-minute fair value gap. You look at ES on that 5-minute, it has a 5-minute BPR there. Okay, I'm going to engage into this. Look at ES here. Still consolidating at the OTE range. I have not taken 5 trades in the PM session. I've taken 2 or 3. Longest losing streak I've been was almost 2 months, bro. This is nothing. I've been through this before. I've actually survived on it with the same accounts. It's when I had my long Apex buffer accounts, when I had my 2300Ks. I survived with it because I had a huge buffer. It did set me back a while, and I would have gotten like a huge payout, which is a shame, but sometimes that's the reality of the markets, and sometimes that happens. We have a new market open in the new hour open in 30 seconds. Same as the 4-hour. I believe. Yeah, new 4-hour open in 30 seconds. I think 4 hours is going to open and rip up higher. My honest opinion. We could get that 4-hour reversal though. Previous 4-hour low. Just have the tool there, guys. Don't think I'm in a position. I love the rejection that it's facing in this fair value gap and wanting to push lower. We have that new 4-hour candle. The rejection on that is lovely. But ES is strong to the upside here in that 5-minute. Let's see how ES reacts to it. If the market clears up, yeah, of course I'll do that $1 million challenge again. But the market's got to clear up for my system. We got to start delivering 930 power of 3 again. Like something I'm looking at right here, guys, is low key. If we break above this high again, that's not bad. It's a new 4-hour open as well. Break even at previous 4-hour high. Oh wait, I gotta switch my accounts on hold on. Okay, good. I want to see that 4-hour push up. I love how it's consolidating a little bit here though. But it's in between two PD arrays. All right, look at ESNQ. All right, look at the chop in between the two PD arrays. It's a 50-50 if you take a trade in that range. Gotta wait for some sort of reaction. Ooh. Hungry chat. Still nothing yet. One minute's chopping to the downside. React off that fair value gap, but it looks like it wants to continue down lower. Looks like it wants to react off that BPR there, but I anticipate that we're going to turn up. Like, it's just 4-hour open accumulation. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Manipulation to the low of that fair value gap, then distribution. But nothing has been running in power of 3 recently, so... I love the consolidation in that 5-minute fair value gap that it's doing here on ES. That's very nice. The Peter Tuchman curse. 15 seconds for that new candle open, new 5-minute as well. That new 5-minute should rip ES up. It's rejecting though. It's also, NQ is also in a 1-minute. I mean, in a 5-minute. Very small though. In a 5-minute volume imbalance. Look at that rejection on that volume imbalance there, chat. Look how many times it touches that volume imbalance, then rips up higher. Bodies are respecting consequent encroachment of the volume imbalance. I'm not in this right now. Looks like it's just chopping in this BPR. It wants to sell off. But the bullishness is very dominant. We have a new 4-hour open as well. It's just consolidating. It's tapping back into that volume imbalance again. It's just chopping right now, guys. Do I have proof for that 250k payout? Yeah, I've shown it multiple times. Somewhere in my Google, in my Gmail. I've also tweeted about it. Where is this? Good reaction to the downside there, chat. Good reaction. Are these normal Apex accounts or are you getting a $1 million challenge? No, I'm not doing the $1 million challenge until my model clears up, like the profile clears up for my model. So right now it's clear that 930 power of 3 is not working. So I'm not gonna do a challenge. Beautiful 2-minute fair value gap. Would you ever modify my models? No, they've been working for years. Unless I just start losing for like 7 months straight, then yeah. But for me to modify my model off of like a 2-week, 3-week losing streak, no. That's if this week is a losing streak, it'll be 3 weeks. But I don't think this week is going to be a losing streak. We had a win yesterday on PM session and a win today, but we're still negative on both. But we are starting to get more wins now, so I think the profile is going to clear up a little bit. Okay. Looks like that rejection on that fair value gap is working very nicely. Let's see, reject off consequent encroachment will be perfect. Do I waste action reverse these lows? Yes. Will I bet on it up here? No. Nothing to do so the market can move. We just need to get out of the consolidation, dude. Like, this consolidation is killer. And this has been my losing streak, guys. This has been my losing streak. Which clearly means that there's obviously some sort of reason behind it. And it's not me just losing myself, you know? Just need to see a bigger push up. PS looks more bearish though, so I want to get in, but it looks like it's going to sell off. Looks like the bearish bias is going to play. I'm very neutral right now. I'm not bullish or bearish. Just sitting. Just sitting. Now that we disrespected that, there's absolutely no reason to push up higher unless it's just going to be low probability and rip above that high. Give it some time though, guys. Don't get into long or short right now. Yeah, CJ, I'll do that when the markets are better. I'll do all these challenges when the markets are better. You can make a Gmail and try it this first time in a while. Chat, I need a username. Also, even if that were all true, why would it matter? What are you talking? What are these guys yapping about, bro? What do you mean Gmail? You're hating on someone because they made a Gmail? What? What? What are these guys up to? Your mod is saying I'm hating, but I was just asking where the payouts are. They're all over my socials, bro. I'm not wasting my time just fucking going all over the place. If you want to find them on my socials or in my previous streams, you can. I'm not going to disengage from the charts to go dig into my emails and go find something to show OBSD-Z1W. Beautiful reaction to the upside there, chat. That 4-hour candle looks beautiful for the push up. It looks like a nice power of 3 accumulation, manipulation, distribution. In terms of the 5 minute, disrespect to that 5 minute fair value gap. So it's clearly indecisive right now though. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. Guys, by the way, I get unbanned on TikTok tomorrow. I get unbanned on TikTok. W TikTok, bro. Well, L TikTok, but like W unban. Look at that rip. Yeah, the PM reversal's coming, chat. PM reversal is coming. This PM reversal is totally coming here, chat. Oh, there's totally a PM reversal pulling up. Totally. It's selling off, man. That's if we get into the fucking trade. Diddy candle. Imagine if I wasn't along there. Somebody longed off this fair value gap. Time to enter? No, that's chasing. I need some sort of retracement. If I just enter in the short here, yeah, I could probably win. We are getting a PM reversal to these relative equal lows. Probably not going to fill us shit, though. Wow. Our short bias was right. But the markets wants to Diddy us 40,000 times. These markets are so fucking shit right now, bro. It's insane. There hasn't been one clean distribution day. Well, the PM reversal is here. It broke structure. I'm going to wait for a 5 minute fair value gap. I don't know, OBS. Just let's ignore it, guys. Sometimes there's some. I don't think Camelot. I don't know. Camelot is not weird. Brother the legend. I don't calling you weird, OBS. Let's just like, if you found the payouts, that's cool. If you didn't, that's cool. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Misunderstanding. Not gonna lie, I chased into that and I'm break even again. No, don't be chasing, bro. I know you're hungry for wins because we've been in a losing streak. But I'm telling you guys, what you're learning while going through this is more important than making a little bit of money. I'm telling you guys. If you got balls, you'd take that fair value gap trade. If you got big balls, you'd take a trade right here. Stop loss there, 60 points. TP there, 2.8 R. Learn how to lose with grace. Learn how to learn from your losses. That's what it is. Like, losses will always happen. Even losing streak. No, I knew we were getting a PM reversal. We just didn't really catch. I mean, we could have taken a nice short from this high on that 5 minute fair value gap, but I wasn't loving it. Dun, dun, dun. No, it's going to those relative equal lows, guys. Just made 1K on gold. Nice. See if we can get a fill here. Maybe, maybe not. Oil is the biggest indicator right now, guys. Oil is the indicator. We need to add it here. Oil's done 8%. Oh my gosh. The oil's ripping right now. Oil is ripping. So NQ should be falling. That's exactly what it's doing. FES, let's put oil. Oil go, dude. Look at oil go. Go, Kylie, go. Go, Kylie, go. Made 28K on that drop. Nice. Come on, give us a fill up there on that 5-minute fair value gap. I know you want to. Oil is just flying, dude. Give it a little bit of bearishness, oil, so we can get a little bit of bullishness. Did oil get halted or something? It hasn't moved in like a while. Too much top here to engage. Whoa, hello. What was that? What's gold doing? Wow, gold's falling. Oil skyrocketing, guys. Some sort of shit is gonna happen, man. Like the market, it's never been like this. It's never been this uncertain with this amount of shit all over the place, guys. Like, who remembers the OG Biden days where the markets were simple? It was a bullish bias on the daily chart. You would always wait for power of 3 to the downside. And then, boom, you take a long, beautiful trade. You walk away. Like, guys, who remembers, right? Who remembers this right here? Fucking just, you open, it trades lower, you long, boom, you're winning, you walk away. You walk away with profits. Just the Biden days, dude. I feel bad for people starting now, bro. Listen, now that we're in this time, in a few years from now, when it gets cleaner again, hopefully, you know how profitable we're going to be? Oil prices rise above $85 after U.S. intelligence detect Iran may be deploying mines in the Strait of... More news of this bullshit, guys. It just gives me a headache, all this war. want peace. I just want a clean market, dude. I just want a clean market. Fuck the peace. I'm kidding. Patience, guys. And the daily chart will clean up. There's no way that the Nasdaq is going to continue to stay consolidating like this for this long. There's no way. We've been consolidating for a while, but eventually we're going to start ripping. Eventually things are going to start happening. We're starting to push up higher. I only joined in December. I have never seen those heady days. I hope that stands to me if the price improves. Brother, I'm telling you, man, like when you in the second half of January, it was kind of like that. We had a good move in the second half of January. But like last year, even last year, dude, like the markets were so nice. Bro, when I was getting on stream, I was winning AM session, PM session, Asian session. Every single day I'd get on the charts, I'd just win, payout, like it was candy. Markets got bro reminiscing about the good old days. One second, chat. Could get a fill here. Is that a firearm? Imagine I get on the TikTok live and I get banned again right off the bat. All right, let's try how these goes. I'm just gonna do one trade on this account, not touch it else. There's one in, one in out, and that's it.
Order filled.
Top tick the shit out of that. Imagine. Oil's starting to fall a little bit here. It's back in that 5-minute fair value gap. Oil needs to push up here. Oil falls, Nasdaq pushes up. You're heartbroken on Discord. What happened? No. Oh my gosh. Chat, go look at my Discord. That's sad, bro. That is heartbreaking. It's all good, bro. Listen, trust the process. You were up 13K on all accounts. Trade copy had an error and no closeout. Hey, don't chase. You could be emotional right now. Just lock out. Lock out and walk out. Oil pushing, reversing this move is very interesting. Oil reversing this move is very interesting. But I see these relative equal lows getting taken, chat. Midnight open. Look, we open, we create relative equal lows at midnight open, we trade away, and then the whole day we don't go anywhere near this. Like, this is a lot of sell side liquidity we're resting on. I hope you guys know that. Like, a lot. Oil's in a 5-minute fair value gap. Wow, bro, chat, the Fortnite V-Bucks just got more expensive. They put inflation on Fortnite V-Bucks. 1,000 V-Bucks is now 800, the equivalent to 800 V-Bucks. Bro, we really getting interest rates on Fortnite, bro. I'm not even kidding, bro. That's Hypex saying that. Like, that's, bro, they're increasing the prices on Fortnite. Bro, we can't even run away from this, bro. Even a free video game still got inflation. If y'all invested in Fortnite, you got a better return than investing in the S&P 500. That is so funny. Still plays Fortnite? I don't know. I don't play it. I haven't played video games in a long time. See if there's any Twitter news with oil. I saw Fortnite news. Oil's retesting that fair value gap. Remember, this trade is just 1 and 1. Not touching these trades. Not touching this account. I don't see any news. Did you not short V-Bucks futures? They just got more expensive. Should have shorted it, man. Should have shorted the value of a V-Buck. It's down 20%. AMD is a factor of time, brother. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution with 930. Our bias is down here for these relative equal lows and midnight open. I want to see crude oil futures push up here, though. It's consolidating in that 5-minute fair value gap. It should start pushing up higher. It shouldn't push lower. See what ES is doing. ES is in that 5-minute as well. Yeah, just give it time. Oil should push up. We have a huge gap as well here. All right. This massive gap that could go get filled. If I have 5 TPT funded accounts and then I go live with them, will they give me a 50K account or 250K? I have no idea, brother. I've never traded TPT. They should give you a 250K, but I'm pretty sure they analyze your trading and give you an account based off of your trading. So I don't think you have to worry about that. That's what a lot of other firms do. Her price action has been rage baiting recently. Again, I want to see oil start making higher highs here. I want to see oil break this high. New 5-minute candle in 5 seconds, chat. Patience. Oil should push here. Beautiful push there on oil. Beautiful push on oil there. Lovely push on oil. Oil should go back to that high. NQ should visit those relative equal lows. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. Analyzing oil is actually very useful right now in this time because oil is basically running the market with the volatility. And by the looks of it, we have a huge gap up there on oil that we want to revisit. You can see a beautiful shift in structure, market structure shift, fair value gap after taking buy side liquidity on NQ and ES. Beautiful relative equal lows rested right at midnight open from 9:30. That's the manipulation leg that drifted us down to 9:30 or midnight open at 9:30. Beautiful reaction there. Just want to see price action draw to those relative equal lows. Midnight open is beautiful there, right? You can also see this low that we can attack there. Monday. Huge inefficiency, but I'm just going to go for midnight open. Beautiful reaction on the trade so far. Oil futures should start ripping us up higher. I don't know why I have a screwdriver, but I just do. Don't ask questions. Not a good reaction there. Oil should still continue up. Very choppy right now on NQ. Got a 15-minute fair value gap now. So 15-minute market structure shift fair value gap. And that 1 minute fair value up on oil there. Stop loss is huge. It's a 5-minute trade, 15-minute to 5-minute trade. It's not a 1 minute, so yeah, it is pretty big though. Oil should push up here. It shouldn't react off of that fair value gap. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is still just accumulating right now. Remember, with these accounts, just one and done, nothing else. There's a weather alert. All eyes are on Canada, says Israel's president after attacks on Toronto synagogue. What? That's not a weather alert. What are you talking about, weather alert? Weather advisory. Shit. Special weather statement in effect. Potential for significant rainfall tonight and Wednesday. Saturated frozen ground. Oh, it's just ice rain. Ice rain. But it'll warm up. It'll be fine. Beautiful reaction on that 15-minute fair value gap. Just give it time, guys. Let the trade play out. Let the trade play out. Just breathe. It's usually what happens when you take higher time frame entries. Is it just takes a while. Oh. Beautiful reaction to the downside there. Beauty, beauty, beauty. B-O-T. Wow, we got 20K likes on my IG post. Something was mentioned a few minutes back about Iran planning to deploy mines. Yeah, I know. I already saw that. What account should I get? Go to propfirmgain.com and it'll tell you exactly what you should do. I recommend doing Lucid Flex, but you can do matchmaking with your system and it should tell you. So like I said, again, propfirmgain.com. It's completely free. You can do a quick questionnaire and fill out whatever, and it'll save your match history. So for example, let's say the one I got matched with intraday trailing 77% match. Beautiful reaction to the downside there, chat. Lovely. Oil starting to push up higher, make higher highs, which is exactly what we wanted to see. Let's go to those relative equal lows there, chat. I want to see price action go down to these lows, so I will leave a runner for that. I'm confused here. Okay, we're good. My trade of it was looking weird for a second. What about the new week opening gap? Are you talking about all the way down there? Fuck no, I'm not shorting all the way down there. It's the PM session, bro. I mean, we could. We could short down there, but like, no, I'm not going for that. Everybody like out the stream, guys. Everybody go and like out that stream. Oil prices rise above $85 after U.S. intelligence detect Iran may be deploying mines in the Strait of Hormuz. The fuck? That's interesting. One thing about social media is everything feels so fake. Like if you would actually go to Iran, you would actually like see everything. But on social media, you just see it and you think nothing of it. And that's the crazy part, chat. That is the crazy part. I don't get the oil situation. Basically, oil is driving the markets right now. So we need to keep an eye on oil. Let's see what oil did today with 930. 930 opens up. Absolutely nothing. Sweep sell side liquidity now rips up higher and a bullish bias towards the highs. Social media is decentralizing us. Yeah, bro, social media is making us not realize that things are real. It's actually scary. Low-key scary, chat. We should get a push down here. Type 1 if you're in this trade with me. I want to know who's also in this waiting with me. Beautiful. I know, there's literally a war all the time there, YAD. There's war all the time. We should get distribution to the downside here very soon. Like, that's why sometimes I'm like, it's okay that I pay taxes, you know? Like, I'd pay taxes to live on this side of the world, too. Let's start selling off here. This is the third time we're retesting to that low. Guys, some of you refresh your streams. It's delayed. You're still spamming the ones. No, don't keep trading if you have to limit for 20% consistency. Yeah, being born in London's tough. And just to top it all off with how shitty London is, you just get terrible weather. I would say London's one of the armpits of... I would definitely say London's one of the armpit countries. But the British Empire was the best, bro. Confused. Trade's taking forever, chat. Shit's chopping, yeah. How did you realize trading was for me? Really when I got my first payout. At any time before that, before I got my first payout, I was just young and ambitious. And I just wanted, I loved how trading made me feel, and I loved the markets and just studying it and realizing I could make a career about it. But I would say after I got my first payout, then I realized it was real, dude. Like that's real. Like you can really make money in it. Guy said how shitty the market is, bro. You've been taking straight L's and the market is great. Hop off, G. Well, the market could be great for you, brother, but not for 930 power of 3 traders. Market has been terrible, bro. If you think that this is a clean market, then you're either a scalper or that's not a clean market, dude. That is not a clean market. Maybe for you, for your system, sure, but for my system, which requires a daily range or at least a 4-hour range, it's not the cleanest. Hate only comes from below facts. Patience, guys. Look at that beautiful reaction. We're gonna get a sell-off heavy here. Power hour might bring it. Get some Indian food. I've been thinking about going to an Indian restaurant soon. There was a good one near me. It's like a Michelin star. Because I've never had good Indian food. I've only gone to like the shittier places. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Indian food is good. Like Indian food from Canada, not Indian food in India. Okay, socials. That's crazy. That is crazy, bro. Gotta be patient, guys. Gotta be patient. Oil's gonna rip again very shortly. Terrible retest there. Real trading hour gap. Tapped into it right here. Terrible retest there. Don't like that reaction. Bro, trust it's ripping down. Well, no, I'm still in the trade. I still think it's going to sell off. But it's clearly following oil's direction. Clearly following oil's direction. But the consolidation is in the downside. Like, it hasn't ripped up, so I'm liking the odds of this trade, guys. But we just down the 15-minute. Looks better. Oh, I'm gonna get. Hold on. There we go. Thought I was about to get copyright. Crap, sucks. That's boring, I know. I have no guts to short. NQ has been pulled back to 0.618. I still think we're going to solve to those relative equal lows in the power hour, guys. We got 8 minutes for some volatility to come in. By the way, guys, if you have not seen my new website, propfirmgain.com, it's an amazing website to figure out what prop firm suits you best with your trading style, give you an edge on the prop firms to use and the best discounts and everything. Look at that reaction there, chat. Type 1 if you're still in here. Your streams are getting longer. I know, man, because the trades are taking longer. No way you're profitable. Been watching you for 1 year and you're always losing. Let's see how long this guy's been subscribed for. Ready? Channel activity. 1. Hold on. See how long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's been subscribed for 20 days. So he witnessed a few winning trades, but he came right into our losing streak. Like I said, you'll never see someone who's been subscribed to when my model actually is in good condition and says that. Because, bro, when my shit works, it works. Makes a lot of money. Bro, forgot the clocks changed? What do you mean? Stop capping on why I watch you for a year. I can see your chat log and I can see your subscribe log, bro. Let me read some of your messages. Bro thinks I can't see it. Let's see. Let's see his first message. WW, no way, W, shit, 1K. 1K watching that, hit the like. Trade gold, good afternoon, good evening. Have you been naughty today? Question mark. Have you been naughty? Question mark. What's good, Ben? Saw you at the club last week. Okay, gang. You can't rage bait me, bro. You can't rage bait me, bro. Fuck. Daddy is the master here, man. You guys might feel like you have leverage on me because I'm in a losing streak right now. But don't forget your roots and where you came from. You all are bro, has been naughty. And then type stop, bro. Nah, you kill me, bro. Listen, your boy's in a losing streak. Doesn't mean he doesn't forget. Doesn't mean my memory doesn't stay there. Sorry for blowing into the microphone. I forgot I was there. I'm sorry, guys. What did Kingdom say? What did Kingdom say? Why are you saying yo? Oh. Yeah, that was funny, bro. Bro's naughty. Bro's naughty. Bro exposed his name. His literal name is on his Twitter. I don't think he's hiding his name. What's my website called again? It's right here, brother. Propfirmgain.com. Matchmake all your trading to what prop firm you can use. So for example, let's go back into here really quickly while we're watching this trade. We can go to compare. So let's say we got matched with Alpha and Tradeify. Simple. You can compare the rules, the prices, and everything. Okay, cool. You can add another firm. Let's do Apex. You can see the difference. But matchmaking, you list out all these things like, okay, I trade 50 to 60% win rate, above 1 to 3 RR. I take 1 minute setups. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's just do it randomly. We're beautiful rip down to sell side here, chat. Yeah, let's just randomly click it. Boom. We match 95% with Tradeify Lightning accounts. Okay, because we want a cheaper account, it selected the 25K account for us. Okay, because we select cheap, you don't see any big accounts here. You can see no consistency rule once funded. What? Oh, that's for select. These are for the select accounts. No consistency rule funded. Well suited for your experience level. So if you want to do no consistency rule, go with their select funded stage. Okay, great matches your risk tolerance level. Okay, great fit to your trading style. You can view the details of Tradeify also. You can go to their account types and pricing. You can also go to evaluation rules, funded account rules, everything. You can also go to the compare. Now we got Tradeify as well. So you can see, add your firm, Tradeify. Let's do Tradeify and Lucid. See the difference in between that. You can see that Lucid is a little bit cheaper than Tradeify for some of their accounts. They have more platforms. They have more account options. And the drawdown is a little bit changed. And it's a completely free website, propfirmgain.com. Completely free. If you sign up to it, if you create an account, you get free giveaways and free discounts and messages when the best discounts are available. Or emails, whatever you prefer. Look at this beautiful reaction here, though. Get me mod, I'm going to take care of the chat. Larnas Maybach, bro. Bro's going to be mod, and then he's going to just ban everyone in chat who made fun of him for being naughty. If you're a consistent viewer here, you cannot rage bait, because I will pull up your track history. I will pull up your comment log and I will read it. Nah, but I've been subscribing for 4 to 5 months now, and Ben has been profitable and paid out. Thank you, brother. Appreciate the kind words. All right, whatever you say. You pull up my track history. I want to see it. Let's scroll all the way to the bottom. Oh, you've been here for a while, bro. Beautiful car, by the way. Your live streams to help me understand risk management. Oh, you're nice. This is a nice guy. Add a McDonald's poster of you and your dad eating McDonald's. I'm in your walls, Benjamin. Yeah, normal guy. That's just normal guy. Now, where the fuck is Mason? Or Y8? No, Mason. Nah, he banned all my alt accounts before catching him. Yeah, bro. Camelot, I can tell who's Camelot on an alt account. Bro, you're promoting a website that's going to start asking for a subscription and start crashing and LARPing, Ben. L, that's not the Christian way. It's my fucking website. I'm promoting my website. Yeah, guys, guess what? The soundboard is coming back for tomorrow's stream. It's not the Christian way. Going against order flow every day, you're stuck with stupid ICT concepts. Let's go band for band. How do you make money off your website? I don't. Well, I make a little bit of money in affiliate marketing, but it's mainly just a tool to help you guys, and then it'll give me exposure for my live streams because there's a live stream section in the website. No denomination, brother. Just a follower of God. Follower of Christ. I don't put myself in a specific bracket. But I found $200 in my piggy bank. I'm gonna full port CPI. See, I like that. Oh, I'm reading this guy's chat messages, bro. Oh, good rage bait, Foot City. I should have, I knew it was gonna be rage bait. I'm going down and scrolling Cact's messages. No, there's too much to read from, bro. Wait, I'm going back to Lauren's because I forgot that you can actually, okay, wait, where does it say I'm naughty? Hold on. I've been naughty today. Let's go into the stream and see everything he put. That's all he typed, and then he left stream. Have you been naughty today? We're up $3,500 on the trade so far. Still got a ways to go. We should see some volatility pick up here though. Power hour now, chat. We're in power hour. Power hour. I'm gonna move my TP. I don't want to get greedy. I'm gonna walk away with the profits that I get here. I'm not here to mock you. I just want you should do a little bit more homework before you come on YouTube. Bro, I can bet you $100 that I've been trading longer than you. Bro, can you please explain what is CPI? What? And why are people full porting it? It's a lot of volatility, brother. Then don't copy them. Do not full port it. It's the consumer price index. It's a news event. It's a red folder news event that rips. Do not full port it. Ryan Mason. Bro, where's your rage baiting, bro? You used to be the best rage baiter I know. You just like stopped rage baiting. Here we go, chat. Can't find your website? Propfirmgain.com, brother. It's really new, so it's probably not SEO'd, search engine optimized. I'll paste in the chat for you guys. I'm heading out, Benjamin. Have a good day, rest of your stream. Hey, thank you, brother. God bless. Guys, type 1 if you are still in this trade. If you're doing things longer than me wrong, it doesn't make any difference. Bro thinks he's Alpha Sigma, guys. Alpha Sigma Joseph. I'm not saying that name because I can't. Mr. Joseph. Go back to your island, bro. Imagine his last name is actually Epps. Can't say that. Imagine that's his actual last name. Patience, guys. We're gonna drag to break even once this low gets taken. I'm gonna drag to break even now, low key. Not break even, but this high. We should continue to sell off here without needing to retest. Oh my gosh, he's still talking. That's my actual last name. I'm rich and Jewish. Okay. Was Epstein Jewish? Oh, I said it. Fuck. Have I ever met him? Yeah. Read my message history. Just normal message history. Normal message. Nothing crazy. He didn't ask me if I was naughty or something. Am I Jewish? No. Beautiful reaction, chat. Beautiful, beautiful. With a live $1,000 account, what's a good amount per risk per trade? $100. Been backtesting, but it helps so much. I've been backtesting helps, but I've lost so much patience in the live markets. Any suggestions? Forward test with capital, with not live capital, but just with funded accounts, brother. I know it says like don't rush the process, and you shouldn't, but trading funded accounts and just journaling the process really helps you learn a lot. You will lose money though. This trade's taking forever, guys. NQ's reversing without oil reversing. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Oil's consolidating. Patience, patience, patience. Real traders don't lose money. Facts. It's power hour, man. We should see a little bit more volatility coming in here. There we go. Beautiful. Soup this high right here and start selling off heavy. Beautiful. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Patience in the trade pays. Apex is 85% off, not 90, but I'm too lazy to change it to 85. Close enough. Lucid is 50% off for 2 accounts and the rest is 40% off right now. Not a good reaction on that 1 minute. I want to see those relative equal lows taken though, chat. And I do think we have the volume to go down there. It's the power hour. We're reaccumulating after expanding. I do think we have the volume to go down there, chat. I don't think it's out of the picture here. I don't think it's out of the picture at all, chat. Oil's starting to push back up higher. See, I would start to close the trade if oil was consolidating in this gap, but we still got room to go. We still got room to go, chat. I wish you'd start using order flow together with ICT. Yeah, I don't. Here's the thing. If I'm ever going to add new things to my strategies, I would never do it while I'm losing. I'd only do it while I'm winning. I'm debating not trading New York morning session. Do you think it's a good idea? No. I mean, CPI is 8:30 a.m. I think it's going to be pretty clean tomorrow. All right, we're still $700 each account, so we're up $3,500 right now. Can we make a Bible study area Discord in the Discord? Yeah, I mean, I could. I might do one later tonight. Ugh, terrible reaction there, guys. Oil's rejecting again. It's gonna rip up to that high. Just taking a while. It's just taking a while. Ben is against their religion to oil up. Okay, bro. Fell asleep with this price action, got stopped break even. I'm done for the day. It's all good, brother. Did you get stopped break even right here? Again, I'm still pretty confident it's ripping lower. But here's the problem. Oil's moving up higher and NQ now. And that's not good. See, look at this. Look at these two. We're break even on this trade. I see so much sell side liquidity getting swept here. These relative lows. It could be saved for CPI. That's the only reason why we would turn up, is if CPI is going to hold this. But look at oil ripping up higher and NQ not moving. This is one of the most anticlimactic, one of the most anticlimactic power hours I've ever seen. This is why I have this chair. I can give myself a back massage now. Yep. This is why I bought this chair. Now I could just sit and make money while my back is getting massaged. Markets suck right now. Totally. Oil's ripping in and NQ's ripping right now, which is very ugly. Sorry guys, I'm getting my back massaged right now. I can't talk. Lucky you got a chair. I gotta lay on the ground. Don't be surprised if I have to sell this chair later because of this losing streak. Sign up for your website free Apex account for me now? No. You'll get notified when there's giveaways though. And discounts. Looks like a potential break even here, chat. No, here's the thing about volatility, bro, is the markets suck when you're trading a specific model that does not repeat in a consolidated daily profile. Like, even if there's volatility, it's clearly not trading in a specific way. I think you're losing because of the war. I'm not going to blame my losses on anything but myself, but I really am studying my losses right now, and I don't see anything wrong with the trades that I'm taking. Like, I would take them all the time. I don't like how oil is coupled now. Retesting that 15-minute. 1 hour trading back up. 4 hour. Terrible, terrible reaction there. Very interesting. Yes, doing the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, you lean that chair right back. Watch this, bro. Watch this. Want to say that? Hold on. Want to say that? Oh, fuck. Oh. Now what, bro? Okay, Wesley. Hey, yo. Pause, bro. This trade is still probably going to win, bro. I feel like we're going to get a Diddy candle. I don't know. This is low-key an ugly-ass trade, though. The 15-minute looked so much cleaner. Would want to see it reject here, but I'm not betting on most. I should start streaming like this. Should I start streaming like this, guys? This is how I should trade. Ooh. There we go. Oil's starting to rip. NQ starting to move. There we go. Look at that push. Look at that push. Diddy candle coming in play here, chat. Coming in play. There we go, baby. I told you patience pays, bro. I told you being patient will pay. I told y'all motherfuckers being patient will pay, bro. Who told you? Daddy told you. Watch it reverse back up to the upside. Guys, hold. Hold the trade, bro. The bias is still bearish. Those relative equal lows are going to go get hit. I mean, it's trade's break even, so I'm just gonna hold it, dude. Bro, you were saying? My point still stands. My point still stands, chat. My point still stands. My point still stands. And if you don't stand with my point, you're gonna fall. We're in that gap now, oil. Oil's in a 1 minute fair value gap. Is this gonna push it? Your consequent correction reaction. Push oil, come on. If I was Trump, I would just put in long positions, then tweet. You know, if you're the president, you can just easily make so much money. Look at this, chat. Look at this. Like I said, here we go. Sell side liquidity, relative equal lows here. Making us work for it, huh? The markets are making us work for it today. Break out of this consolidation, dude. Break out of the consolidation. Oil's gonna rip up higher here. Yep, there it is. Broke out of the consolidation. Dragging our stop. Up 5K right now. Poor Wesley, bro. Oil is gonna rip past this high. We just broke out of the range. We're gonna start melting here. It all depends on this candle right here. We just broke out of that low. We just wicked it. If we displace past this low, then we're going full TP. $30 seconds for this candle to close below that low. I want to see this candle be bearish. This candle's got to be bearish here, chat. $30. No, Enricus, this isn't demo. This is on my other accounts, though. It's not on demo, though. TradeAway's connected. If it was demo, you would be able to see the money on the buy stop and sell and buy limit. Chat, this trade is taking so long. I'm getting pressed. This trade is taking so long. I'm getting yelled at. Nah, bro. They just don't want to see me winning, man. I'm finally getting a profit on a trade and motherfuckers trying to stop me. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. We're at 5K right now. I think it's time to drag my stop to an actual point where we can walk away. Happy. Oh, yes! Look at that reaction. Full TP incoming. About time, bro. The body's above this high, I'm closing, chat. Don't you dare body above that high. Continue down lower. Don't give it a turtle soup. Don't you dare turtle soup this. I can't see chat right now. Don't you dare turtle soup this. You have 10 seconds to push us lower. 10 seconds to push us lower. That's a good little candlestick. Open and rip to the downside. Oh yeah, we're cooking, chat. Oh yeah, we're cooking. I'm dragging my stop. I'm securing profits on this. I don't care. W's in the chat. Where are all the haters at? Silent. No, they're still in here. Guys, my girlfriend wants to show you something. She thinks she's funny. Order flow still bearish, chat. She's so funny. Don't like that reaction. Should rip lower here. Oil should push up higher. Draw up to these highs. Yep, beautiful. Okay, NASDAQ, follow that. Push lower. Great job on your website, Ben. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. Here we go. Here we go. We're up $5,500 right now. $5,700. 5,000. We're up $6,000 right now. Come on, focus. Stop glazing. I want to see you get rage baited. They can't hear that, you know. There's the delete background noise on the microphone. No partials. No, my stop loss is dragged. Can you stop? Bro, you're gonna get me banned, bro. You can't do that. I'm gonna tilt the camera to show you. Hey, Brian, catch you later, brother. Guys, we're gonna go to full TP here. Stop. You know when you've been sitting for too long and your tailbone starts to hurt? Look at this reaction, baby. We can drag our stop loss now to that previous high. We are up $6,500 right now, chat. We got to get a crazy candle coming in soon, eh? Like, we're due for a crazy candle right now. Type 1 if you're still in this trade. Said I took this on demo. No, I didn't. I said I took it on different accounts. Yes, sir. Not a lot of people left taking... Okay, Alex. You're in a goofy mood, huh? All right, probably getting stopped out here in profit. Let's see. Mitigation block should hold. The mitigation block should hold, and we should rip to those relative equal lows. I'm gonna show chat like what you're doing right now. Do I like living in Canada? Yeah, Canada's great. 10 seconds. The last 10 seconds of this candle should push us lower. Oof. Beautiful reaction, bro. That is beautiful. If we can body this candle bearish, that would be the best case scenario. Okay, not bearish, but it's a good wick for that candle. This candle's got to push us below that candle open. Guys, has he showed any P&L before and after trades? Yeah, brother, I show payouts, I show P&L, I show everything. On 5K W Ben, let's go, brother. Patience, guys. We have a new 5-minute candle in a minute. It looks like it wants to go to that 5-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna put my stop loss just slightly higher, chat. Just in case it wants to go to that 5-minute. Oil's starting to push up higher. New 5-minute candle in 30 seconds, chat. Beautiful reaction. Let's get some speed here now. Leave that as a 5-minute breakaway. That would be amazing. Let's body down here on that 5-minute. If we can body down at the open with that 5-minute, that will be beautiful. Last 10 seconds of this candle should push us lower. Oh. Spoke too soon. All right, we should push lower from this point, though. If we push lower from this point, we're so chilling. 2 seconds. Decent body close there. It is below the fair value gap. But it looks like it wants to pick a higher high there.
Stop filled.
All right. W trade, chat. W trade. I'm going to close my limit. Hold on. I'm getting off for the day. We're done. We're done. Long trade, but where is it? Right here. W trade. It's 1-to-1. 1-to-1. I'm happy with it. Okay, never mind. Never mind. We're good. We're good. Whew. We're chilling. All right, fellas. I'll see you guys later. We'll finish in prayer, and then we're gonna end the stream. I'll be live. Maybe Asia tonight. Maybe definitely AM tomorrow. Let's go. Dearly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, forgive us for our sins, and remind us that everything is part of your plan. We need to calm down and just trust that you have a plan, and we're going to follow it. In Jesus Christ's holy amazing name we pray. Amen. All right, chat. I'll see you guys later. W in the chat. W day today. Take care. God bless. And peace. That was a war, dude.